funny. Day went swell cause it was bright and sunny. But money's got to be made when the night falls. So do it on the block, me I do it in dance hall. Ladies call my name in an uproar. I can yell and scream, but what for? If I need attention, I grab the bone tight. Say my check, then I'm set for the night. Now I don't waste breaths with ranting and raving. Keep on striving, surviving and paving the road to the riches, filled with ditches. Along the way, many brothers needed stitches. Cause I cut them up with my sharp tongue. Set them up, shot them down like a marksman. What can I say? They was in my way. They might have got a play on another day, but I was moody, strictly in the mood for mayhem. There's not a thing another brother can say when I come on they route, standing strapped to stout. That's when they know they going out for the count. Posse straps on straight for security. Groupies check for maturity and purity. Now all I need is a groove to get into. Some laid back drums, kinda smooth and simple. Nobody's pinned to a wall or a chair. Sleep filled the air, now you can't see clear. But where I'm at is on mental. Sight ain't necessary cause vibes are sent through airwaves in this freak with your frequency. It's tune to hear a brother like me getting busy and making calm dizzy. And when I'm done, no need to ask who is he. I left my marker with AKB in his chest and I made a sucker rest in peace cause he was geese, so I cooked this goose. Sprayed him up and then I cut him loose and let him swing. Swung until his rope got thin and then he jumped cause he knew he couldn't win. Came in my town acting sporty and got his crack open like a 40. By then he knew what I was all about. I strictly came just to put him out for the count. I see heads turning, staring and glaring, waiting to see who's next for the tearing. It's the sucker kid wearing the fat goose, who needs to be shown that I got juice. I get looser than a bring a towel cause I'm dripping with soul. Hold the whack jams cause I'm backing a 44 mag to keep body stacked in the corner until everyone's gone, cause I can rock it all night long. I don't think twice when it's time to ice a sucker. I never said I was nice. I do work like a lumberjack, and it's a wonder that punks come back to try to claim the clout when they know they're going out for the count. Retarded.